As I'm doing my daily routine to water bonsai, and I have noticed that there's something in here. So after all, my bonsais are part of the ecosystem. Okay, so some birds have laid their nest in this bonsai, the Ficus microcarpa, which I have planted. Somehow the roots had escaped. It's on its training path, but the root had escaped, so that it has grown like this. I did it on purpose so that the trunk would be bigger like that, so that the girth of the trunk will increase. And then I have noticed as I am watering, okay, I have noticed that there's a nest. Then okay, let's check if there's some kind of baby birds in there. Alright, oh, it's there. So what will be their reaction if we will do some whistle? Let's check. Are they still alive? Still alive or not? Oh, there's no reaction. Oh, right there. Okay, let's just leave them there. Right, it's there. So if you happen to found something like that in your bonsai materials, just leave it there. Okay, just be glad that your bonsai is part of the ecosystem. Right.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Guys, good day, my fellow bonsai freaks. And after all, my bonsai is part of the ecosystem because it has some birds lay its nest in this Ficus microcarpa, and as you can see, look at those tiny little birds. And I'll try to whistle, and then let's see what's the reaction of those tiny little birds. So they thought that their parents came, and then but let's just leave them in that way. Alright, that's my Ficus microcarpa with bird nesting on it with its little. And once again we will do the whistle. Let's check what's the reaction. Alright, okay, once again let's check those birds, those tiny little birds that is on our bonsai. This is a Ficus microcarpa. Let's check, there's a nest in there. Then let's check how's the little birds. And then as I have done it before, let me show you their reaction when I will do some kind of whistle. Okay, they thought that it's feeding time. They thought that their parents came. So that's how fragile they are. But as I am quite happy that my bonsai is part of this ecosystem. All right, once again,